Drier and brighter today with plenty of sunshine, but it is all change as we head into the weekend. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday, 22nd Glue.
Day weekend. Laura, how are we doing?
Well, just in time for the bank holiday. It's going to rain. But, I mean, I was always taught never to say good or bad weather because, you know, the great news if you need to fill your water bird or if you need some rain for your gardens, but not great if you have outdoor plans.
Pollyanna. That's a lovely view online.
Or some heavy showers and thunderstorms. And the crazy thing is how much rain that we saw compared to how much we've seen so far this month, because May has been exceptionally dry. Parts of southern England saw up to 27 millimetres of rain, 6 times what we've seen so far this month. But it was a tale of two halves because it was gorgeous and sunny in Scotland. And Scotland, when we add in yesterday's sunshine, have now had their sunniest spring ever recorded, 520 hours. And in fact, for the UK as a whole, this spring so far, sunnier than the whole of last summer. Now, this is how things look for the next few days. High pressure that's been dominating, keeping us settled so far this month retreats. Low pressure moves in. So Saturday is looking wet. Sunday is looking windy. It's been a while since we've seen that. And it looks unsettled into Monday too. So there's going to be slow changes as we head through the next few days. Today is drier and brighter than yesterday for many of us, but we have got a little band of rain moving its way southwards, and here it is. So for these eastern areas, this is a cold front. Behind it, colder air is lurking, and this slips its way southwards through the day. So eastern areas and then southeastern areas. Good morning to you. It was a tale of two halves yesterday. Southern areas, we had heavy, thundery showers around. The heaviest rainfall was in Evershot with 27.5 millimetres, which is nearly 6 times the amount of rain they've seen so far this month. 14, and this colder air mass still holding on to those low 20s across the south and east. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook, which has been pretty settled. No change lately, but there's big changes in the next few days. Because first of all, across the north of the UK, Scotland, Northern Ireland and northern areas of England, where we've had temperatures way above our average, we're sitting around about, if not below average. But you can see the change in type. Weather symbols change from these sunny skies to these wet skies. So the percentage chance of rainfall still low the next few days, topping up those sunshine totals. But from Saturday onwards into the half term, it's cloudier, wetter and windier. Not great if you have those outdoor plans with the kids, but perfect for those gardens. Now, fortunes further south, England and Wales, as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be, we're sitting around about, if not below average. Percentage chance of rainfall, a little more hit and miss, but definitely all change from Saturday onwards. Good morning to you. After the very settled spring so far, especially a very dry May, we've started to see those changes coming in. Yesterday, showers across southern areas, and it was the high pressure that's been dominating that relinquishes its grip, and it allows the floodgates to open literally from the west, from the Atlantic, bringing weather fronts in, and the isobars close together also all change with the weather. That's it for me for now. There's plenty more still to come. You're watching Good Morning Britain here on ITV1. Good morning to you. Some had heavy showers across the south yesterday, but in the north, we had sunshine. And adding up those totals, we now know that Scotland has had its sunniest spring ever recorded, but that is about to change because sunshine will be replaced by cloud, wind and rain through the... Good morning to you. After lots of settled weather so far this month, and by that I mean dry, warm, sunny conditions, subtle changes as we head through the next few days as weather fronts start to move in from the Atlantic, bringing the return of cooler, cloudier, wetter, windier conditions. That will slowly happen through the day today in the form of a band of cloud moving through, and it will turn cooler. You'll notice that across the northern half of the country. The satellite picks out the cloud we have at the moment. This is a cold front. Behind it, cooler air moves in. So for Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, sunny and dry this afternoon, but temperatures way down on yesterday, just 13 or 14 at best for many. Patchy cloud for the southeast of England, the odd spot of light rain here. Still holding on to the warmth and sunshine across the south and west for now. Top temperatures into the low 20s, but cooler, wetter and windier for all of us by the weekend.